Working with these women has been really delightful. They're beautiful dancers, and they are questioning dancers. They don't take it for granted.
I was mesmerized, honestly, by her, just moving inside of her own work, and I was really excited at the fact that she wanted us to also find our own voice inside of it.
It's so interesting setting a piece of repertoire from a different age, from a different body. I was a different person. So many things hadn't happened in my life, and so many things had. And also, yes, I'm older, but it's not so much just the number of years, but a lot of reflecting time in between then and now.
I always literally go back to the grass.
There is a patch of real grass that is lying there waiting for you. It doesn't move. And your job as the performer is to find a way there and then be there.
Bebe finally gets to the grass and gives into it. It's just this like moment of surrender to me that makes the solo just like the best experience.
I feel that we need to keep on finding the relevance of the present moment. How do we fit? How does everybody fit? How do we arrive at our next stage of self?
Breathing it and smelling it and seeing it and being really tactile in this element and in this earthiness and groundedness in the work.
So I keep on kind of inviting them to not only be in their own body in their own time, but just also to try to imagine a different technical body or a different sense of where movement may come from, how it originates. I guess it's a kind of a passage that I'm asking them to go through, and I asked myself to go through. It's worth the wait.